Hello everybody, it's Lisa and I'm here to do my June currently page. So normally I will match this page with this page. So if you watched my haul from SOTO, S-O-T-O Studios, you'll know that I got some books and they're really nice, cool books. And for some reason, this camping one right here is screaming at me. Just literally yelling, Lisa, use me. So I want to just put it smack dab in the middle. And I want it to kind of look like the camper is sitting on the black line. I know I could white out the lines and stuff, but that's just too much. And I just love this. I don't know why. I just do. The front of the book was clear, and the back of the book is paper. But I am thinking I want to add in this little fun sundress. Actually, where's my little piece of my messed up little piece here? I've been using it forever. Okay, so we'll put that. I was thinking a hat. I think there's actually smaller hats and the shoes also. I know that a sundress and heels does not go with camping, but it's just this feeling I'm having with the whole spring. And so the beiges and the light yellow and the greens, like they go together. Okay, and then at the back of the book, they have these little boxes. And I'm thinking what I want to do is put these boxes in here under priorities. And I'm going to just use, possibly just use two. Let's move that. Yeah, let's just use two for now. And then I was thinking even possibly just doing one this way. What do we think? And I'll leave the word priorities up there. Important, I'm going to take out. And I'm actually thinking maybe I put a box up here and a box in here. The dress goes, I think there's more hats in here though. Hold on. I've changed my mind. I think I'm going to use this mountainous girl here who looks like she's camping rather than my spring collection. As much as I like the way the colors, everything matched, the fact that I had a dress and high heels with like a camping look did not work for me. And she will fit in perfectly right there. Okay, so Mojo Jojo Plans Winter Boxes 2.0. It has some light and dark blues, and I think I'm just going to put boxes across here. And I think I am going to use both colors. So let's go with a bigger blue one in the middle. Just gonna place it there because I'm not sure. And then I'll bring that one up a little. I'm just placing some boxes first. go double blue here. And then let's take a square light one and a square light one. What do we think? I feel like it's only so-so. Let's bring this one down here, and that one is gonna go in. It went crooked. Okay, so that one will go there. I'm thinking I like this blue one up here. But I want to move it over just slightly. And that is going crooked. Okay, and then instead of having this one right smack dab in the middle, I'm gonna move it over also. I'm okay with covering up trees. I hate covering up stickers. I'd rather cover up boxes for the most part. Okay, and then I have an idea. I do need to find a quote or two, but I don't like this one here lined up with those ones. Oh, I forgot about that. Okay, so that one will go there. And holy smokes, did I put that one on crooked? Okay, let's get this one on here. And then I'll bring this one out here. I'm not going to put this one down just yet because I do want to add in a little bit of the yellow flowers. I'm just looking to see what my options are. And I'm thinking this big one right here. Is going to just come in right here like this. Okay, and then there's a smaller single one, which I will just put in like that. Okay, and then this one. Okay, and then I have this one, which I'm thinking I'm gonna cut in half, put half there and put half down here. Just like so. And then that's why I didn't put this one down all the way, because I wasn't sure if I would want to move it. And I actually could put it down all the way and just have the flower coming off of it. Oh, I like that. I think that's pretty cute. So now maybe just a little bit in here. There was another single flower. I do have this other single flower. I'm not sure. I'm also thinking maybe over here with the single flower. It's get the whole flower on there if we can. Like that. And now definitely a little bit of more in here. Okay, and then maybe just a little bit down in here. Oh, I have to cut some of that off of there. I didn't even see that. I like it. Okay, so I have this piece that I cut off from here, and I just want to try something here, see if this works or not. It may not look good, I don't know. What if I put this like this? That's not horrible. And then take this little flower and just bring it up like in here somewhere, even up here, just to bring the flowers up into this corner a little bit. I think that's not bad. I think I like it. The one thing I don't like is the priority sitting there though. I see it now and I don't like it. There's this word here. It says high summer. And I'm kind of thinking, what if I cut, ooh, stuff stuck to me. Trying to feel where the lines are. If I cut the G and the H off, so let's see here. I'll get the summer. Oh yeah, I still have my stuff on my little piece here, so let's just take that and take the high. How does that look? Oh, that looks cute. That looks really cute. What if I put that up there? Let's put that up there. Okay. So we're going to cover up the whiteout as much as we can. I think that's cute. Okay, so I have a couple mishmash books. This one is like my headers. I have a summer one. And so in my summer one, I found this little vacay mode. And I thought it takes the little bit of pink here and just brings it down here so that just matches. Then I pulled out Organize, and I'm going to put Organize there and Plan up here. And then in Summer Memories, Amber plans her day. She's got quotes at the back of the book, and I found this I Love Summer. Now I got to stand up to put this on. Actually, let's just white this out a little bit. Okay, so I just used my white gel pen and I whited that out and let it dry a bit. And I am going to put this I Heart Summer sticker right in the middle. And I just want to rub it with my nail so you don't notice the clear sticker as much. All right, so this is what it looks like with the monthly divider. And I feel like they work well together. You get the colors of the mountains in here, even some of the light blues like in here. So let's take a close-up. Oh, and if you are new here, sometimes I will put stickers and do inking, paper, and I'll even use them on the monthly divider so that the page, it looks like a full spread. The pages match. So let's just take a close-up. Look how cute this girl is. And then this scene. So if you haven't checked out SOTO Studios, SOTO Studios, check them out. I really love these stickers from their books. Check out my haul video, and I have a code, and I'll add it into the comments later. So as usual, if you like this, hit that like button. Tell me what you think. And please consider subscribing. I'd really appreciate that. And sharing with your friends, your family, your planner groups, your Facebook pages. That would be much appreciated. Thank you so much. And have an absolutely wonderful day. And bye-bye for now.